The Dodge 126 was a car built by the Dodge brothers in Detroit. The car was built as a development of the Dodge 116 and was introduced in July 1925 as a 1926 model year car. Like its predecessors, the car had a side-valve four-cylinder engine with a capacity of 3,479 cubic centimeters. The engine had an output of 35 horsepower. Power was driven through a multi-plate dry clutch and a 3-speed transmission with floor shift, delivering power the rear wheels. The rear wheels were mechanically braked. The wheelbase of the chassis was 29.46 millimeters. Again, multiple trim levels were offered. With the standard, there was a 2-door roadster, 4-door touring car, 4-door sedan, 2-door coupe, with 2 or 4 seats and 4-door luxury sedan. The same models were available with a special trim pack which included more features. There was a new variant, which was the Deluxe and Sports, which came in a 2-door sports roadster, a 2-door sedan, or a 4-door touring car. In the 1927 model year, the series was built unchanged. Beginning in January 1927, the car, however, renamed the Dodge 124. The Deluxe and Sport version was a convertible, and the Custom was only as a club coupe with 4 seats. The 126 was replaced in July 1927 by the Fast 4. A total of 394,870 cars were made.